YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's boxing is an exciting one. It is again from Poshmark. It went through their authentication process once again. So let me take a quick screenshot before I get into this because it's going to be a surprise for all of you. So let me get into opening this bag up. To give you a little hint, I got a bag that was very similar to this one, and I even linked this one for you guys to buy. But the seller had the price jacked up pretty darn high, and nobody bought it. And so the more I looked at the one I got, and I'll give you a hint, you can see it behind me, the more I thought I wanted this one. And part of the reason is that this one is a black background and I can use it with several of my crossbody straps, which might make this a bit more functional for me than the pink one that I got before. Any guesses? I will say this one is not wrapped quite as well as the first, but it wasn't getting slammed around in the box. It does have a note from Posh Authentication, and it's wrapped in tissue paper, as well as with who certified it. This is a Coach bag, so I'm not terribly concerned with authenticity. I'm hoping that Posh would have caught any errors in the description of the bag. That would be my primary concern. I did ask this seller if there was any wear and tear on the bag, and she told me that she had worn it, but there was no visible signs of wear. So here we go. Da, 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 da. Yes, it is. It is the Coach Rodart leather sequins bag. And I will tell you right off, the seller was not telling the truth when she told me there was no wear. There are scratches on the smooth leather there. There are some significant dents right there. And there's again some more scuffs right here. The front flap looks really good when it's fastened closed like that. And the leather sequins look good. I'm seeing another scuff right here. And since Posh authenticated this, I may not have very much recourse. The inside of the flap is pretty scratched up along there. I've heard that Posh will not do anything for you sometimes if they've authenticated it because it has passed their inspection. So that concerns me a little bit. The other one I got that's behind me, you can see it right there. It's the blush pink colored one. It was in immaculate condition. And what I'm seeing here, these are natural things to happen to glove tan leather, but this was listed for $650 and I paid $500 for it, which I think is somewhat of a premium price for any Coach bag that is used. And if I had known it had these dents in the back, as well as the scuffs right here, and also missing the hang tags. Let me see if they're inside. Hopefully they're inside. Nope, they're not. Not unless they're in the front pocket. Nope, they're not. So this is a lackluster unboxing. I am just not sure what to think about this. I am disappointed, to say the least. I'm going to take some pictures and I'm going to email Posh and see what they say. If they gave me a discount, I might keep it, but I'm really just not sure what to do. Let me put my glasses on so I can see a little bit better. It'd be one thing if the seller said there were some marks on the leather, and I'm seeing even more now that I have my glasses on. There's another one right here. But again, I can't really notice that because it's right in the middle. But the bag definitely has a sag to it. You can tell it's sort of been scrunched right there because you can see the dent that's there. You can see that it's got a saggy bottom. Let me pull this open. You can see that the bottom is saggy right there. And again, it's sort of dented in there. I can't believe the tags are missing, and that wasn't mentioned at all. These dents here in the back, these are super, super noticeable right there. And the scuffs on the sides, they're very, very noticeable to me. You can see them. Let's see if I can get them to show right there. See that big deep one right there? I mean, there's marks all over right here. Marks there. There's a deep one. Little tiny fingernail scratches all over there. And then there's marks all over there. There's a deep one, another deep one that crisscrosses that way. I would say this is a well-used bag, and probably not up my alley because I don't like well-used bags, but we'll see. Let me know what you think. What would you do? I think it's really pretty. I mean, it's gorgeous. I'm just not sure it's $500 gorgeous. I'm Erin, and I'm the Handbag Housewife. If you like to see videos like this, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel. Drop me a comment below and let me know what you would do in this situation. If a seller told you that a bag had no visible signs of wear and you saw signs of wear like this, would that bother you? Or would you keep it and be happy? I'm anxious to hear your opinions. Take care. Bye.